Hi. Day 6 on how to fix your mental health in 30 days. My name is Michelle Quick, and I'm a mental health coach. I'm the owner of liveglad.dk and manifestingnow.com. Drink more water. I am sure you've heard this before. Drinking more water not only hydrates your body, but it also have a lot of mentally and physical benefits. Actually, in a couple of days, if you make sure to drink about 2 liters of water a day, you can see the benefits right away in your skin. And I don't know about you, but I actually am mindful on how my skin looks. Also, drinking water every day and being mindful of it gives you a healthy daily routine that you can focus on. So, giving you that healthy focus actually also gives you a healthy mindset that can skip and actually flow. It is water, isn't it? So it could flow over to other healthy habits. So drink more water. Cheers. Is the tip of the day. Take care. Stay safe.